You are going to love the 2016 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Inside you'll find navigation system, security system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, leather seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
All of our pre-owned vehicles go through an extensive service inspection that will be presented to you along with the Carfax. Thank you for choosing Nissan of Cookeville.